If you want your skin to be bright and radiant that people can stop complimenting you, then these are the body oils you need to be using right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Guys, today I'll be showing you my top 10 best brightening body oils for glowing skin. So if you're still not using a body oil in your skincare routine, trust me, you're missing out. This body oils I'll be showing you guys in this video is going to brighten up your skin and give you a radiant, glowing, even toned complexion. So if you're looking to achieve that bright, glowing, beautiful skin, then make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe, because I'll not just be recommending this body oils for you guys, I will also show you how to use it to get the maximum results out of it. So let's dive right into it. Now, the first skin brightening body oil I have for you guys is this Advanced Clinicals brightening body oil. I actually decided to start with a classic favorite because of how effective this body oil is. Guys, when it comes to skin brightening, this Advanced Clinicals brightening body oil is one body oil that should be your go-to right now. This particular body oil is infused with vitamin C, turmeric, rosehip oil, grapefruit, and other skin brightening ingredients. This is one body oil I got to know about through one of my clients in Canada. And guys, this is an amazing body oil. Currently, I have 3 clients using this particular brightening body oil. And I'm going to tell you one thing for a fact. This particular body oil is going to brighten up your skin. It's going to give you a smooth, beautiful, bright, glowing skin. So if you're someone struggling with a dull looking skin, then this is one body oil I'll definitely recommend you use. It's going to brighten up your skin tone and give you that even glowing complexion. If you also have discolorations on your body, then this is a body oil I would advise you use. When you use this particular body oil in your skincare routine, it's going to effectively brighten up your skin and give you a radiant, glowing skin. It's a very nice body oil. It doesn't feel greasy on the skin. It's going to help moisturize your skin and lock in moisture into your skin. So if you really want to achieve that bright, glowing skin, I would advise you stay consistent with this body oil, and you're going to love the effect on your skin. The price of this currently ranges from 12,000 to 15,000 depending on where you're getting it from. It can actually be less than that depending on where you're buying from. It's a really nice body oil and it's suitable for all skin types. So if you're looking to achieve a bright, healthy, glowing skin, incorporate this into your routine and come and thank me later. Now, the next or second brightening body oil I have for you guys is this Naturium the Glow Getter body oil. This body oil right here and the spots on my list because of how deeply it nourishes the skin and gives it a glowy, beautiful, radiant look immediately after application. It's a body oil that is infused with plant-based oils like rosehip oil, linoleic acid, and it also contains tetrahydroascorbate, which is a form of vitamin C. Guys, this particular Naturium body oil is a very nice body oil. It's going to moisturize your skin and also brighten up your skin tone. If you want an immediate glow on your skin, then this is one body oil I would definitely recommend you use. It's going to give you a radiant, glowing skin. And the fragrance of this body oil is so lovely. It has this nice vanilla coconut scent that is not overpowering. And that's something I really love about it. It doesn't feel greasy on the skin. It's also lightweight and it's going to give you a visible, radiant, glowing skin with consistent use. It's actually suitable for all skin types as well, especially for those of you battling with dry skin. This is a very nice body oil I recommend you use, and it retails at a cost range of $19 depending on where you're buying from. Now, the next or third brightening body oil on my list that you should be using in this 2024 is this Moroccan Argan Niacinamide body oil. If you're looking for a nice treatment body oil, then this body oil right here is definitely your go-to. This particular body oil is going to not only brighten up your skin because obviously it contains niacinamide. This body oil combines both the benefits of argan oil and 6 other different body oils, including niacinamide. So it's obviously a body oil that is suitable for anyone battling with a dull looking skin. If you really want to brighten up your skin tone and maintain a radiant glow, then this body oil is definitely one body oil that you should be using. Guys, it's going to help treat your dull looking skin, even out your complexion, and it's also a very nice body oil that will also help to fade your dark spots when you're consistently using it on your skin. If you're dealing with uneven skin tone, textured skin, and you want to maintain a smooth, beautiful, glowing skin, then get this particular body oil. You're going to love the effect on your skin. It's a body oil that will smoothen out your textured skin, brighten your skin, fade your dark spots, and give you a radiant glow effect on your skin. I actually placed one of my clients in Abuja on this particular body oil when she was battling with uneven skin tone and discolorations, and guys, the effect was amazing. So it's a really nice body oil, and the price ranges from 9,000 or 12,000 or thereabouts. So it's a very nice treatment body oil that is going to give you a uniform toned skin. Now, the next or fourth body oil I have for you guys that will brighten and glow your skin is this VASELINE Vitamin B3 body oil, the healthy even toned one. And this is the body oil right here. Guys, this is one of my favorite brightening body oil. In fact, this is one body oil that I personally have been using, and I can assure you one thing for a fact: this right here is going to lock in moisture into your skin and give you an instant radiant glow effect on your skin. It's a gel based oil, so after applying this on your skin is instantly going to look radiant and glowing. If you want a soft, dewy, radiant glow effect on your skin, this VASELINE Vitamin B3 body oil is one body oil I'll recommend you use. It also has a nice scent, so it's a really nice body oil that you should be using in 2024 if you want a bright, radiant, glowing skin. Now, the next or fifth body oil I have for you guys is this fair and white brightening body oil. I believe a lot of people must have come across this body oil because this is one brightening body oil I have used in the past, and I really love the effect. Starting with the fragrance, the texture, everything about this body oil is amazing. It's a really nice brightening body oil, and is infused with a lot of brightening and nourishing ingredients like vitamin E, licorice extract, and all of that. This particular body oil is definitely going to brighten up your skin and make your skin look lovely. If you want people to be complimenting your skin, this is one body oil you should not be sleeping on in 2024, especially if you want your skin to be glowing before December. You're going to love the effect on your skin. It's a very nice body oil, and it's perfect for anyone that wants an even, bright, glowing skin tone. Now, the next or sixth body oil I have for you guys is this Urban Skin RX Super C Bright Body Oil. See, if you want to invest in a body oil that gives super brightening, then this body oil right here is a must try. It's infused with both vitamin C and ferulic acid, and you guys know that these are the two odogu ingredients when it comes to skin brightening. So if you're looking to supercharge your skin, brighten up your skin, fade your dark spots, even out your complexion, then this particular body oil is one of the best top-notch brightening body oil I would recommend you get. If you can afford to get this particular body oil, get this body oil right here, and you're going to understand what I'm talking about. Early this year, I had a client based in USA that was struggling with terrible scars on her skin and pigmentation. According to her, she came back to Nigeria and she got this mosquito bites. Like, whenever mosquito bites her, it leaves a scar on her skin. And I actually recommended this particular body oil with other products for her. And when she added this oil in her skincare routine, and she was judiciously using it both morning and night, guys, you're not going to believe the improvement. Her skin got so much better. The scars were gone within 3 weeks or a month of consistently using that. So this right here is an amazing brightening body oil and is worth every kobo you spend on it. So if you're looking to fade your scalp and have a flawless looking complexion, then get this particular Urban Skin RX Super C body oil, and you're going to love the effects on your skin. Now, the next or 7 brightening body oil you should be making use of right now in 2024, especially if you want a radiant glowing skin, is this Veetgold Vitamin C body oil. Of course, everyone is familiar with this body oil. Well, I'm not even about to say much about this particular body oil. Just go get it, try it out, and you will understand what the hype is all about. It's a very nice, amazing brightening body oil that is infused with vitamin C, and is going to definitely brighten, smoothen, and glow your skin tone. Like if you want an even glowing skin tone, cop this and you're going to love it. Now, the next or 8 body oil I have for you guys that will brighten and glow your skin is this Dr. Davey Turmeric body oil. Yes, this is actually a new body oil. Like, I don't think it's that rampant yet in the market. But guys, a friend of mine is currently using this particular body oil, and it's really nice. It's a gel-based body oil, and it's going to help brighten your skin and even out your skin tone. It's so moisturizing on the skin, and it's suitable for all skin types. It's actually affordable. Like, the price currently ranges from 4,000 to 7,000 depending on where you're getting it from. I don't think it's more than 7,000 yet. It can actually be below that price depending on where you're buying from. It's a very nice body oil, and it's going to brighten and even out your skin tone. Now, the next or 9th body oil on my list is this Disaar Vitamin C gel body oil. This is a fantastic skin brightening body oil for anyone on a budget. It retails at the cost price of 3,000 plus or more depending on where you're getting it from. It's an amazing body oil, and it's going to brighten up your skin and give you a bright glowy skin. So if you're looking to lock in moisture into your skin and have a bright, beautiful, radiant skin tone, then get this particular body oil, and you're going to love the effect on your skin. Now, to the last but not the least body oil on my list is this Johnson's baby oil. And this is the body oil right here. Guys, I know you'll be wondering, Judith, why are you adding a baby oil in this recommendation? Does baby oil brighten the skin? Well, baby oil for skin? Damn, are you kidding me? This is one body oil that brightens and glows my skin every damn time I use it. Like, guys, I've not been seeing the one made in USA because that's the original. If you use this baby oil for your skin, trust me, your skin is going to be glowing. Your skin will look so much bright, beautiful, and healthy. Like, the thing that actually made me to start using this baby oil was when they gave birth to my niece. I actually started using this, and I was getting so much compliments. So I decided to go buy it as at then. And around the time I started using it, it was actually 3,000 naira. But the last time I got this body oil, it was around 8,000 naira. But right now, I can't even find it anymore. So if you can get this Johnson's baby oil, guys, trust me, your skin is going to look so much bright, radiant, and glowing when paired in a good skincare routine. It's one body oil I swear by. So if you're sleeping on using baby oil for your skin, girl, you don't know what you're missing, because baby oils will glow your skin. All these body oils I've shown you guys will give you a beautiful radiant glow effect on your skin. Honestly, the whole essence of using body oils in your skincare routine is to hydrate your skin, lock in moisture into your skin, and prevent your skin from looking dry and ashy, especially if you're someone with a dry skin. Body oils will nourish your skin and give you that glowy effect that you used to see on other people's skin. For those of you that have been asking me when is the best time to use your body oil, guys, the best time to use your body oil is immediately you step out from the shower. Once you're done applying your body lotion, don't wait a second. Go ahead and apply your body oil so that you will be able to get the best benefits from it. Another comment I get is, Judith, is it best to apply body oils in the morning or at night? Well, body oils can be applied both in the morning and at night. I get it that some people do get darker when they use a body oil, but I guess that particular body oil is not good for your skin, or maybe you're not using a good sun protection. So if body oils are making your skin go darker, then change that particular body oil add a brightening body oil in your routine, or get a good sunscreen, and you're going to love the effect on your skin. For those of you that want to take your glow to the next level, add any of those brightening body oils I've recommended in your skincare routine, and you're definitely going to see results. So there you have it, my top 10 skin brightening body oils for a radiant glowing skin in 2024. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. Let me know in the comment section if you have used any of those body oils, how it worked for you, and if you have a favorite body oil you want me to check out. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.